Welcome to the board view. Here I'm looking at my new client onboarding board, which is the place where I can track all of my client onboardings that are flowing through my operation here. So a board is the place where you can track all of the projects that share a common type. In this case, we're looking at new client onboardings. So it's laid out in this Kanban style view. So it's got multiple lists. Of course, you can customize these lists, add new ones, reorder them. And if you prefer a list view, you could switch to that here, but I prefer the Kanban view, and your browser will remember which way you've left it. And you can filter this board's view down by the client or by tags. Now, every time you create a new project, those will show up in the first list by default. And then they can move along in your process. And by the way, that can actually be automated as well with your processes. Now, I called these cards projects, and technically that's true, they're projects, but in ProcessKit, you can customize the way that you refer to these projects based on which board you're in. So here in the new client onboardings board, every new project or card here is called an onboarding. If we back out to our other boards, I've got another board here called marketing campaigns. Let's take a look at that. And here in the marketing campaigns board, we refer to every project as a campaign. Let me back out again. And in my podcast episodes board, every new project here is an episode. Now let's go back to my new client onboarding board. Now there's one more thing I want to show you, and that is the project template, or in this case, our onboarding template. Your template for new projects that get created in this board basically consists of the processes. So this is the list of processes. Sometimes it's just one, sometimes it's several processes that will be automatically preloaded every time we create a new project in this board. In this case, we're going to preload 3 processes. And in the details, this is where we have a couple of custom fields that we've created. These two will be preloaded on new projects that are created in this board. And I'll show you how all this stuff comes together when we create a new project in the next video. So that's a look around your board view in ProcessKit.